Maya Paldo-Balen, August 7 po ngayon, ganap na 8:40 ng umaga. Tayo po ngayon ay papunta ng Barangay Bebe Anak sa Purok Arabia para po samahan at salubungin ang ating presidente sa inauguration po ng sluice gate ng Arabia.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
R. Marcos Jr.
Please take your seats. With us today is House Speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez. Of course, His Excellency, the Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to the Philippines, His Excellency Lee Sang-hwa. Patrol Party List Representative George Bustos, Masantol Municipal Mayor Jose Antonio Bustos, and all the other local chief executives and local officials present. My fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Rest assured that this government is working and doing all it can to pursue initiatives and programs to protect our citizens and the environment, to innovate current trends in disaster risk reduction and management, as well as to ensure heightened climate responsibility and justice.
Once again, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Magandang umaga po. It's 11:05 AM. Tapos na pong bumisita ang ating mahal na Pangulo sa ating bayan. At nakakatuwa po sa naging mensahe po ng ating mahal na Presidente na tuloy-tuloy po ang kanyang pagsuporta sa mga flood control projects na makatutulong para po mabawasan ang epekto ng mataas sa tubig, baha dito po sa ating bayan. Kaya naman ito pong vlog na to dedicated para pasalamatan po ang ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Mr. President, maraming salamat po at kami po ay nakasuporta sa lahat po ng programa at proyekto ng ating pong pamahalaan. Mabuhay po kayo!